Hello everybody, this time we are removing deep scratches from car paint which are caused by a minor hit from another car. This type of damage usually occurs by slow moving vehicles from parking lots when one car scrapes another. These scratches are very deep and sometimes it's not possible to remove them completely, but our goal is to minimize the damage as much as we can in safe limits by measuring paint thickness so that we can prevent burning through the clear coat. I have already measured the paint thickness, which is 95 microns, so it is within safe limits, and then I started wet sanding with a 2000 grit sandpaper. I suggest making a couple of pauses so you can assess the situation. Do you need to sand more or it is enough and you can move on? After sanding, I'm going to machine polish this door, first with heavy cut compound. I'm using Carpro clear cut and a Rupes blue wool pad, and I will do a couple of passes until I'm happy with the results. After that, I'm using a smaller DA machine of 75 mm to polish parts that are close to the edge of the door. Final step is one pass with finishing polish and a soft foam pad from Rupes. That combination will bring back gloss and clarity to the paint. And for the end we have before and after photos of the door, on which you can see a very big difference. Of course I haven't removed everything at 100%, some deeper stuff is left, but the end goal is to save the integrity of the paint and a happy customer. And I have delivered. Please leave a comment and tell me what you think about the results. If you like this video, give us your support, share, like, subscribe, and I see you on the next one.